Let's dive into the Honor 400, Europe's new mid-range contender launching alongside its Pro sibling. Spoiler, this compact powerhouse punches above its weight. Before we break it down, smash that subscribe button and hit like. You'll want to catch every detail. First impressions? That 6.5-inch flat OLED is crisp. We're talking 120Hz smoothness, 5000 nit peak brightness, and 3840Hz PWM dimming, a godsend for night owls tired of eye strain. Rounded corners give it retro charm, though the flat edges dig into palms slightly. At 184G and 7.3mm thick, it's 2024's definition of compact. Pro tip, skip this dull, EU-mandated black finish, go silver or gold. Under the hood, Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 handles daily tasks effortlessly. Heavy gamers might crave the Pro's 8 Gen 3, but casual users? This flies. Paired with Magic OS 9, Android 15, app folders bend to your will, reshape them into snakes, squares, whatever. Magic portals, drag and drop shortcuts? Chef's kiss for productivity. Camera time. 200MP main sensor delivers shockingly good 4K footage. Check Tokyo's bike racks, colors pop, details razor sharp. No telephoto hurts, but Honor's computational 2x zoom holds up. Ultra wide, 12MP shots get muddy fast, stick to main cam. Portrait mode's secret weapon? Studio Harcourt color science. Skin tones? Perfection. Now the party trick, Google's V2 AI. Turn any photo into a 5's video. Old pics of mom? Now she's smiling, waving, pure magic. Creepy? Maybe. Heartwarming? Absolutely. Honor's first to market, but expect Pixel/Samsung clones soon. Battery life? 5,300 mAh plus 66W charging equals all-day juice. You folks, BYO charger. Asian buyers? You're golden. Durability? LSD8 10H toughness survives drops. Dust, your clumsy coffee spills. Price talk, €550. $590. Stings. At €450, instant buy. Hunt bundles, Hong Kong throws in free Honor watches. Southeast Asia, likely better deals. Pro's €750 buys telephoto. Curved 6. 7-inch screen, flagship chip, photographers splurge there. Why care? 3 words, AI video wizardry. Grandma's static photos reborn as mini-movies, nostalgia overload. Combined with buttery software and that eye-friendly screen, it's a content creator's sidekick. Downsides? Chunky bezels, mediocre ultra-wide, EU's ugly back labels. But as a pocketable daily driver? Chef's kiss. Students, travelers, minimalist geeks, meet your match. Ready to future-proof without breaking the bank? Links below for Honor's latest. If geeking out over AI-first gadgets fuels you, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and drop a like.